Okay, okay, understood. Okay, sir. Okay.
Ma'am, start, ma'am. Aruna, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Like, you can start, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Hi, students. A very pleasant morning to all. On
Good morning,
behalf
ma'am.
of good morning, all. We are very happy to meet you all virtually. On behalf of Department of Mathematics, first year campus, Dr. MGR
Thank you, ma'am.
Educational, yeah, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. I welcome you all for this first orientation session. Okay. Now, I'm R. Aruna, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, first year campus. Mathematics has beauty and romance. It is not a boring place to be. The mathematics world is an extraordinary place. It is worth spending time there. Don't think mathematics is a boring subject. Mathematics is not only the calculations and numbers, but it is a very creative expression field. It is a beautiful branch of science which requires a great amount of imagination. So we always heard some people are aversion of maths, especially in the BTech and BE. When you come to the professional courses, we are here to get rid of all your aversions and fear towards mathematics. So enjoy mathematics and study well. My best wishes. Now, I invite Mrs. P. Sona, Coordinator, Department of Mathematics, will take over. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am? Yes. Hi, students. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
morning,
students.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am. Good morning.
yes, ma'am. Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm P. Sona, Assistant
ma'am.
Professor, Department of Mathematics. I have 13 years experience in our university. It is a great pleasure to see you all today through this virtual meet. I used to ask in my first day class, that is, how many of you like maths? The same question I'm asking here also. Please put it in the chat box. How many of you like the subject mathematics? Please put it in the chat box now. Usually in class, half of the students may like maths and half may dislike maths. So I would say one thing, please take interest towards the subject, then automatically the subject will like you, which means you will like or love the subject easily. Okay, why we have to like maths? Why? Any necessary is there? Yes, because you have chosen a professional course BTech. Yes, it is a professional degree. Here, maths is a very important subject in our engineering. Since one concept or another is required in all fields of engineering. The problems may be a qualitative or quantitative. That is the engineering problem, may be a qualitative one or a quantitative one. Common sense often solve the qualitative problem, we know well. But it may take trained engineer to do the math properly and solve the qualitative problem easily. Of course, there is no engineering that does not have mathematics basis. Do you accept this all? Yes. When you enter into the stream of engineering in the first year, you will have to study engineering mathematics. And it is compulsory course in every university. This is because math help you to explore engineering skills very well. A student who is good in math can learn almost any stream of engineering. That is acceptable case only. So I would say math should not be ignored by any students. I hope you will not definitely ignore. I know well because the Andhra Pradesh students will definitely like maths. I know you're all brilliant students. Yes, we have to accept this. Yes, yes, ma'am. The base of engineering lies in maths only. So good luck to you all. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. I invite our colleague Dr. K. Kalishwari to introduce herself. Thank you.
Good morning, student. I
I am Dr. Kalishwari,
Good morning, ma'am.
Assistant
Good morning, ma'am.
Professor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Professor in Mathematics Department. I welcome you all. So I'm very happy to see you all this event. So mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computation, or algorithms. It is about understanding. So understand properly to win. All the very best. Thank you, students.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
This
Good
is
morning, ma'am.
Sarala
Hi,
from
ma'am.
Assistant Professor from the same department, Maths. So I welcome you all to this session and also for our college. So mathematics is the queen of science. You all know very well. So it is a basic of all the science subjects. Without maths, we can't do any other physics or chemistry, any other subject. So it is very much important to our science subjects. So mathematics is yes, mathematics is hello. Mathematics is a very nice subject if you're interested. Okay, so compared to the other subjects you have to read, you have to memorize, or you have to once again go through it before your exams. But maths, if you understand once, means you no need to study at every time. So if you understand once the concept and formula, it will be easy to attend the exams and also for your regular things what you compare with our daily lifestyles also. Okay, so I wish you very all the best for your engineering. So all the best, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am.
So
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
Saranya ma'am will
Yeah,
introduce
yes, ma'am.
about yourself.
Yeah. Welcome to all of you students. I'm Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Good morning to one and all present
Good morning,
here.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. In our university, Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute, I give one quotes, an inspiration of Shakuntala Devi. Without mathematics, there is nothing to do. Everything around you is mathematics and then number. Yeah, all of you all of you just accept this. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then one more inspiration. You can't live without mathematics, but you can't enjoy the life without mathematics, as there is only the place where you can create and solve the problem by yourself. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you,
Welcome
ma'am.
you all join this virtual
Thank you, ma'am.
induction program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good to see you, all your chats and messages in the chat box. Many of you have put, I don't like, 50% have put likes and 50% have put don't like, whatever it is. We are here to make you love mathematics, right? So now we have an expert to talk about how to learn the subjects in engineering. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have an expert to talk about how to learn not only mathematics and all engineering subjects. Okay. Now I invite Mr. S. Bharat Kumar, who is a chief mentor, Career Cell. He has 20 years of experience in motivating the students as well as the teachers community. So we are very happy to invite him to give and to motivate you about this field. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Aruna Ramachandran. It is my, it's actually a pleasure for me also to meet all of you, because I could see a lot of Telugu names, in fact. So, guys, I would also like to welcome you to this session. So, without wasting much of time, I would just like to, is the voices clear now?
No, sir. No, not here.
Yes, sir. Not bad, sir. Not bad.
Not bad. Okay.
It's clear.
Okay, fine. I think it's due to the bandwidth that so much of microphones are on. Okay. I thought that I can straight away get into the module called Learn to Learn. But before that, I would just like to emphasize one thing. See, I am actually a hardcore programmer. I worked as an embedded engineer. I worked as a, in fact, I designed so many circuits. I have written coding for microprocessors, microcontrollers, whether you mean ARM or you PIT or whatsoever it is. But I predominantly found only one thing. See, we are talking about Max is queen of science, Max is king of all. Very simple. Max and life are inseparable. I can prove it. I can prove it. I'll tell you one thing. Max is, we always have a feel that, working on numbers is always a tough job, right? Numeric is always a tough job. But please, my dear friends, understand only one thing. Your life is associated with numeric things. Your date of birth in, your date of birth is in, numbers, right? Okay. Your forefathers' date of death, again, it is number?
Yes, sir. We don't know, sir.
Okay, the period between your life and death, that is also number. 36 years, 40 years, 50 years, 70 years. Okay, fine. Your height?
Yes, sir.
Number. Your weight?
Yes, sir.
It's number. Your, whatever the features that you talk about. Okay, so these are all numbers. So numbers, the mathematical calculation and life are inseparable. Please understand one thing. Whether you like Max or not, Max likes you. That's the reason it travels along with you throughout your lifetime. So that's what I would like to emphasize. In fact, I predominantly found one more thing. How many of you are playing Free Fire, etc., and all? You actually play for
Yes, sir.
Exactly. You are playing. Okay. One second. See, you are like, see, sin theta, cos theta are all symbols. But it again start with what? For example, I will tell you sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Again, numbers playing a role there, right?
Yes, sir.
Numbers are inseparable. Whatsoever the cases. Okay, let us just assume your mark number. When is your marriage? Again, the date is number. When is the reception? The date is number. So, Max and life are, please do understand, it is inseparable. That's the reason I'm telling you, whether you travel with Max or not, Max travels along with you throughout your lifetime. Throughout your lifetime. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. Anything is calculation. Right? From the date of birth to next date of birth, one age is increased. Calculation. Till your death, how many years that you lived? What is the mark you scored? What is the percentage? Again, it's number. So you have to travel along with Max only. There is no other go. Number one. And number two is that since I told that I am actually a technical person, I'm a very serious 1-0 kind of embedded code writer. I'll tell you one thing. You're all playing games, I'll give you a simple example. Without Max, you cannot, practice the art of engineering. I'm telling this with a lot of examples. I will tell you one thing. A password hacking program. Let us imagine a small password hacking program. Okay, the password is only alphabets. No numeric is allowed. Please follow me carefully, my dear friends. Am I audible and clear now?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. See, let us imagine a 6-digit alphabet password hacking program. There is no numeric. Fine. Again, one thing. We are all under the impression that we are doing a programming. No, my dear friends, we are doing a mathematical algorithm. What is it? Very simple. You have 26, alphabets. Okay, again, plus 26 because the alphabet may be uppercase or lowercase. I mean, it may be in capital letter or in small letter. So now, what I'm going to do in the algorithm, I'm going to do the permutation combination, NPR, NCR formula. Say for example, 3 into 2 into 1, like that. 26 plus 26 is 52. This 52, I'm going to give it in a loop. In order to find out 6-letter password. So we are all thinking that we are writing a programming. No. We are writing an algorithm which is max. This is one example. Another example I will tell you. See, this is a let us imagine I'm going to write a program for a football, to play football. Okay, just imagine, my dear friends, how it happens. You normally, slowly crawl your finger, so the ball will also move in the screen, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
you know what is the secret behind this programming? It is max. Like, for example, the ball is here. The ball is here. The ball is here. Right? Is it clear? The ball is
Not
here.
clear, sir.
Now,
Not clear, sir.
I am. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir.
Clear.
It's clear, sir.
Sir, it's clear.
Okay. From here, I am taking my finger to this place. Okay, so the ball has come here now. Okay, or here. Let us take here. So what I am doing is the screen is segregated into 4 parts. The upper quadrangle, lower quadrangle. Right? 4 parts. So normally the upper part is called plus. So if I say plus 8, then it goes there. Again, in the programming, max only used. It is not that we do program. It is that we do create mathematical algorithm in order to get a program out. Right? Is it clear? So just, of course, that is not the thing that is actually in the agenda. But since everybody was talking about max, I also wanted to pitch in and give you some sort of info. So it is like that. So without max, you cannot enjoy the essence of engineering. You cannot practice the art of engineering. Max is the fundamental science. Please imagine one thing. Accept one thing, whether you accept it or not. Max is fundamental. Even while you write a thesis, in the inference, what you do, only because of doing a percentage analysis or chi-square test or weightage analysis, again, mathematically only you actually give the inferences. Okay, what is the socio-economic scenario of the country? What is the socio-economic scenario of the country? Last year, the growth rate is 8.2. Now it is 10.8 or 12.2, or it has come down to 4.6. Again, it is max. So without max, you cannot lead a life. So whether you travel with max or not, the max travels along with you, whether you like it or not. But one thing, max is the sweetest subject one can ever imagine. All what you need to do is that practice the max then and there. If there is a classroom session is conducted to you today morning, in the evening itself you complete it, I will give you an assurance. You will score minimum 60 marks. Minimum, bare minimum. If you are having a habit of practicing the max on the very same day, you can score minimum, bare minimum 60 marks. Fine? Anyhow, that's all about max actually. See, what I'm going to do is that, I'm going to come out with a module called Learn to Learn. Everybody want to learn something. Somebody want to learn how to play football. Somebody want to learn how to play Free Fire. Somebody want to learn, how to play a square drive in cricket. Somebody want to learn the art of drawing. Somebody want to do some painting. Whatsoever it is, but everybody want to learn. Somebody want to learn how to cook, a good, what do you call? I think being a lot of Andhra people are there. What do you call?
Sir, not audible.
Kangra. What do you call? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you want to learn something, but often we are missing the bus. How to learn? We want to learn, that is requirement. But how to learn, that is the method. You want to purchase a jeans, that is your requirement. How to purchase? You need to take your credit card or at least the cash or at least your debit card or at least a friend who is owning money. That is method. So often we are confusing between the requirement. The requirement is always there, but how to get the requirement is called method. So we always want to learn, but we never understand how to learn. Fine. You're all completed your +2 and come down to the the college level now, and you are in a good university called MGR University, and you were studying in a university. You are not studying in an engineering college. Please mind my words very carefully. I just want that to be underlined and quoted.
Okay, sir.
See, very simple, my dear friends. Very, very simple. See, in school, you have to first understand the difference between what is a school and what is a college. In school, you are having some, you are referring to textbook. You are referring to textbook called maths, physics, chemistry, something like textbook. Okay, and how you call your faculty member? You call them as teacher, ma'am. You call them as ma'am, teacher. And how often you write exam? You will write an exam called quarterly. You will write an exam called half-yearly. And at the end of the academic year, you will be writing the annual examination. This is what the examination pattern. And what happens in school? They take you to excursions. They take you to excursions where you visit a park, you visit you go for a particular movie, you go to a beach, something like that. But all these things, the whole system itself is changed when you come to college. That's what you have to first understand and analyze. First thing, in college, it is not the textbook alone that you refer. Even in the book, there is a difference. Textbook, reference book. So now you are moved from the textbook level to reference book level. In school, you call them as teacher. Now, how you are going to call professor, lecturer? Don't call them as ma'am. Don't call them as sir. Call them as professor. If somebody is telling, where is Aruna, madam? Professor Aruna is there in that blank, in that block, in that room, in that department. So try to cultivate a habit that, no, you have to forget the word teacher now, because you are going to deal with professors, lecturers, and doctorates. Right? So even in the book, there is a difference. Even in calling the name, there is a difference. Okay, then what? It's not the quarterly, half-yearly, or annual that you are going to deal with. You are going to deal with every 6 months. You are going to have a semester. More often than not, where the people fails. Like school, you always think that you are having some time to work on it. But in college, there is no time. The 6 months will go like this, and the examination, the semester will come. In school, you call it as the examination, but in college, you call it as semester. Even the term differs. Right? In the same way, in school, you go for excursions, but in college, you go for industrial visit, in-plant training. So these are all the things that you must first adopt, that there is a difference between school and college. First, you understand that. If you understand the difference between school and college, then it is easy for you to learn. Okay, fine. Mrs. Aruna, can you please put that PPTs, that they can pin it?
Okay, sir. Okay. Can you able to see, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Can you able to see?
No, I am unable to.
But it is.
I think you have to pin it, right?
If you pin, you can see. It seems.
I think you have to do that first.
Wait.
I think it's getting on now. You can press the next button, madam.
Okay, sir. Next.
You can go for the next one also.
Okay.
But it's not clear, in fact.
But it comes.
Okay, you can actually share it to them. You can ask them to download it. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you just ask them to download it. Let me actually continue that. Okay.
Share. It is shared or not,
Fine.
sir?
It's not shared actually, but it's not clear
Sir,
also.
it comes as a full screen, sir. It cannot be minimized so that we can.
Sorry, okay, then actually leave it. You can ask the participant to download the PPT and they can have a view of it. Okay. Let me just continue with my session.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
See, fine. So friends, what I told previously is that whether you like Max or not, Max travels along with your lifetime. That is point number one, which I want to emphasize. Point number two is that first you understand in the module Learn to Learn, because you can actually download the PPT slides and have a view of it. There is no problem. If you want to listen to it, then I have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe this where you can see the complete content also. In fact, we are going to put 52 such contents till you complete your final year. So it's going to be very handy for you. Fine. Now, how to learn? We now understood the difference between school system and college system. Even the name changes. Professor, you have to call it as professor. You have to not to call them as teacher. You have to not to call them as ma'am, sir, and all. In the same way, in school it is called a textbook. Here it is called a reference book. In school it is called a excursion. Here it is called industrial visit, in-plant training. I mean, on-the-job training or in that or otherwise. In the same way, you call it as the exam in school. Now you call it as semester, and the semester occurs, once in 6 months. Please mind it, because while I studied, even I had the problem. I was under the impression that like school, I can take some time. No, the semester will arrive immediately. So that you must understand. That is number one. So now we understood the difference between school system and college system. But how to learn? Again, I am going to give you the method. Fine. Suppose, friends, you are listening to a cine song. You are listening to a cine song, and probably you will try to sing it in your bathroom, at least as a bathroom singer, or you want to sing it while you want to go out, or you are in a good mood, you want to hum it. Okay. When you can do this? Unless and otherwise, you listen the song carefully, you cannot hum the song. You cannot sing the song. You cannot pronounce the word. So, listening is the fundamental, basic skill required to learn. If you can listen to your professor or lecturer in the classroom for half an hour with undivided attention, and you can practice the same in the evening, then your maths problem is completely solved. The maths problem is completely solved. Maths is not a boring subject. Often people think that, algebra means it's as if like a cobra standing before you. It's not like that. It's like a pet animal. It's like a pet animal. It comes to you cohesively. It travels along with you cohesively. So first, one thing you understand. Listening is the fundamental skill that is required for learning anything you want to learn. Suppose you want to learn how to cook a good soup. Your mother is telling you this much of salt you have to put, this much of pepper you have to put, whatsoever it is. But unless and otherwise you listen, how will you learn? So seeing and listening are the two fundamental skill that is required inside the classroom session. So after coming to college, please ensure only one thing. You have to listen utterly. You have to listen utterly. You have to listen promptly. If you can listen inside the classroom, engineering is not at all going to be a tough task for you. You can get placed very easily. Because I could see so many people getting placed also. In fact, I organized so many, even I have been for campus recruitments as well. For companies like Google and all. So please ensure one thing. If you are listening only, you can raise a question. For example, a maths professor is teaching you 10 steps. If you are not listening, these 10 steps won't go into your mind. Suppose if you listened, in the 6th step you have a doubt. Then what you need to say? You have to raise the question. You have to raise the doubt. Then only they can solve. So, first thing is listening. Next thing is understanding, mapping. Once when you map and understand, if you are having a doubt, you will raise a question. Professor, I am unable to understand the step 6. Lecturer, I am unable to understand steps 8. Then what the professor does, they will start explaining it. Now what you are supposed to do? Go back to formula number 1. Again start listening. So listening is the fundamental skill that is required utterly to concentrate more inside the classroom. Fine. Let us imagine one more thing. Somebody is teaching you how to ride a car. How to ride a car. I'm talking very general. I'm not going to talk about any engineering concept, mathematical concept and all. But I will tell you one thing. If you miss this particular session, you will miss whole engineering. Or you cannot learn anything. So fundamentally, you must be prepared enough to listen to your lecturers and professors' voice in the form of audio and their body language in the form of video. So that you try to listen, try to extract it. Then only you can raise a question. Otherwise, see, if you are raising a question, you are having a doubt. If you are not listening, you will never have doubt. So please understand, listening is important. In the same way, now, I am teaching you to drive a car. I have told you, this is what ignition key. You have to put the ignition on. You have to put the first gear as very slowly, and you have to take parallelly the clutch also, and you have to give, you have to apply accelerator also parallelly but smoothly. I teach as a teacher. I taught to you as a teacher. I told you everything. You also listened. But when you will be able to drive, only if you practice. So in the teaching cycle, teacher is playing a major role where the student must only listen and analyze, extract. First receive the information, receive the content and keep it in your mind. But after going home, what all you need to do is that, because this is teaching. If you want to learn in the learning cycle, practice is the best teacher where you have to practice. If there is a dy by dx sum has been, given to you today, and they are actually in the differential calculus, they actually explained something. Listen inside the classroom very, very carefully, and then please go to your, to your hostel. Probably I could see a lot of Andhra people, so you must be in the hostel or at their home. But on the same day evening, you practice it so that you will never forget. If you do so, I will challenge on you. I will challenge. You will score minimum 60 marks. Minimum, bare minimum, you can clear papers. You won't have arrears. Because often people think, oh, M3, M4, M5, arrear, DSP. In fact, they, while you come to electronics, people have named the paper at DSP as degree stopping paper. It is actually digital processing system. It's not like that. It is a very easy syllabus. But we are not listening inside the classroom and we are not practicing at home. If you can do these two things, then anything you can learn. Fine? Okay. Anyhow, I am going to leave some 5 to 10 minutes of time to you. If you want to ask any question, because I am a kind of a person, I don't say that this is what I have, that I'm ready to teach you. But you can ask me questions related to your studies. Please go ahead. Or you can put it in the chat box also. Any questions to me?
Professor, how many chapters on here?
Sorry?
Professor, how many chapters in M1 syllabus?
How many? Can you please type it in the chat box?
Syllabus, sir.
See. Okay. See, in any syllabus, you will have 5 units. In any syllabus, you will have 5 units. There is no doubt about it. That is a system. That is a system created by the university. But what I am talking is, whether it is 5 unit or 10 unit, you first listen inside the classroom. Please don't have undivided attention inside the classroom. Inside the classroom, your attention should be very clear. You have to be attentive to the... See, now you are going to a movie, man. Okay, you are going to a movie. If you are not watching the movie after sitting inside the theater, will you be able to understand what is the movie is all about?
No.
No, it is the same thing here. But if it is a cinema, you do it with interest. That's what Professor Sona told. Try to generate an interest for studies. That's very important. You are actually going to a hotel. There is a menu card. What you do, whatever that you are interested, that you are going to order, right? Are you going to order all the food available in the hotel?
No, sir.
So it's not like that. So please understand two things, that you have to learn only by listening and watching, and then you have to practice it then and there. The same day you have to practice. Okay. Fine. Next question. I could see, I think, when is the college reopens? I think it's going to get soon because people are waiting for the government order and other things. I think it's only a government administrative procedure, so I may not be able to answer to this question. Any other questions, please? One by one, you can switch on your mic and. Vijay Umaleti. Can you switch on your mic and come online?
Hello.
Yes. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
fine.
sir.
Okay. See, I am going to give you a YouTube link. Okay. I'm going to give you a YouTube link which you can actually subscribe immediately, where you can see the complete content of Learn to Learn. And the next module is going to be self-motivation. And the third module is going to be concentration. Fourth module, we have already posted about 6 modules, where this YouTube link will come till you complete your final year, until you get your placement. So we have planned for 52 such module. For first year's 13 module. During the second year you come, that is, it is going to be 13 module. While you come for the third year, it is going to be 13. So 4 into 13, 52 modules that will also travel along with you. So now I think you can see it in the chat box. Okay, you can actually go to the link and subscribe these 2 channels, please. Tirthala Bhargavi. Can you come online, Bhargavi?
Yeah, sir.
Bhargavi, where are you from?
Andhra Pradesh, sir, Kadapa district.
Kadapa district. Okay. What is the what is the syllabus that you like?
Syllabus, sir. I always mostly I like maths, sir.
Okay, maths you like, and what are you going to take? You're going to take ECE, CS, biotech, or what are you going to take?
Biotechnology engineering, sir.
Biotechnology engineering. Okay. Fine. Bhargavi, do you have any questions to me?
No, sir.
Any other doubt?
I want to ask which type of which wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Sir, what is M1 syllabus in CSC?
Sorry?
M1 syllabus, sir.
Syllabus will be sent by the college management here, for which I cannot answer because I am only an external faculty. I am not an internal faculty. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It's the tougher. Easy, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Bhargavi, go ahead.
Can you explain C program, sir? About C program.
C program.
Yeah.
Sir.
What kind of C program you want?
I don't know properly about C program, sir, but all members telling it's so tough to learn. And
hey, come on! C is not a tough one to learn. But if you want to have any microprocessor coding to be done, only C can talk. The rest of the programs are only application level programs, because see, now you are using a mobile phone, right?
Yeah.
In the mobile phone, there is a quad core processor, right?
Yeah.
For the quad core processor, there is a program, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That is written only by C.
Okay.
I think hope you have already been done some C programming. So I will now tell you, Bhargavi, you can have a small paper and you can start writing. Okay, you just write this. You just write this program. I'll give you one small hint.
Okay. Wait.
Character A, comma B, comma C. Yeah. Can you please switch off your microphone?
Okay.
Because it's very windy there. Yeah, it's clear now.
Sir, really, I am in outside, sir. Not
No problem. No problem. Character A, comma B, comma C.
அதுதான் சார், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுனால தான் என்னாலையும் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ண முடியல. அது வந்து ஃபுல்லா ஸ்லைட் ஷோ மோட்லயே போட்டு பண்ணிருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
இல்ல பரவாயில்ல.
மினிமைஸ் பண்ண முடியல அத.
இல்ல அது மினிமைஸ் பண்ண முடியாது.
ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ண முடியல.
இல்ல மினிமைஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால நம்ம அது அவங்கள அவங்கள ஆக்சுவலா டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிக்க சொல்லிடுங்க.
அது அவர் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்றவரே பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் சார்.
ஹலோ பார்கவி.
Say, sir.
Bhargavi, it is character A, comma B, comma C.
Character. Okay, wait.
A is equal to 100.
Okay, sir.
B is equal to 100.
Okay, sir.
C is equal to A plus B.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, sir.
Print.
The screen is shared now. You can spend some time to explain the slides, sir.
Okay. I think before that, let me answer to her question because she already raised it. Okay. So now, Bhargavi, print of percentage D of C.
DFC, sir. Sir, actually, I am BPC student, sir.
Then why are you asking about C programming then?
Somebody told that you are taking biotechnology. It's so tough. In that C program is there. How can you?
Biotech also no. One second. Biotech is also having lot of scope for research, scope for in fact, there is an industry called e-publishing industry where they hire only biotech students.
Okay, sir.
And being a biotech student, if you can learn one foreign language, either German or Japan, then your chances are more fancy.
Okay.
Because any research material, biotech research material, they actually work with some biotech engineers so that they actually correct it and they go for it. Okay,
sir.
Fine. Anyhow, friends, please understand two things. In the model learn to learn, what I would like to convey is that inside that, first you understand the difference between the school education system and the college education system, which covers right from calling the name, right from attending an examination, because there it is examination, here it is semester. So please understand, it's not that you have to feel very stressed that I came to the college level. It's very simple. Only the system changes. It's a very simple system change that you need to understand, accept. I'm sorry. Above all, if you can listen inside the classroom, whenever there is a physical classroom, I think the colleges are going to be opened very, very soon and shortly, as I told you that they are just waiting for the government confirmation and other steps. So definitely the time you are actually going to have a good time at college. There is absolutely no doubt about it. Because I think you are all educated and aware that, due to this COVID-19 period, no government is actually, allowing the education institutions to reopen the colleges. That's the key, whether it is Andhra or it is Tamil Nadu or it is whatsoever it is actually. Okay. So please understand, that is the difference. But while you come to college, after coming to college, what you need to do is first listen to whatever your lecturer, professor or someone says. Once when it happens, I think probably you can all download the PPT given. I have already given the PPT to Dr. Aruna. I think she has already shared it, I believe. So you can actually download and see how the modular structure goes, because I gave it as a block diagram. I gave all the examples as block diagram, which you can very easily download and have a view of it. Okay, that is number one. And number two is that After listening inside the classroom, all what you need to do is, if there is a 4 sum that has been solved inside the classroom, please go back home or go back to your hostel, go back to your room. Finish off the assignment then and there on the same day so that you don't forget. If you can practice then and there, then you can very easily go with it. Okay, this is the thing. In fact, to answer to your to one of your student, what sort of industry that I can take. See, please subscribe the YouTube channel where I am giving information about programming. I am giving information about biotech. I am giving information about civil engineering. I am giving information. I mean, what are all the industry? How you can get a job in mechanical, electrical. In fact, interview attending questions in the electrical. Those are all I have already put. So please subscribe those 2 links that I have given. Again, I am actually sharing this to you. Please subscribe this so that you can stay connected with me as well. Once again, do you able to see the link in the chat box? Do you able to see the link in the chat box?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please subscribe both the things so that we will also travel along with you, because we will be giving lot of inputs about interview attending skills, communication skill, everything will be there. See, already I think I have posted about 5 modules, namely learn to learn. Whatever the slides that you are going to see, it is available in the YouTube itself. Learn to learn, and then self-motivation, and then concentration, and then anger management and alertness. The next module is going to be managing nervousness. That will be come on 11th of December. So please do subscribe this channel, and you can post your questions also inside the chat box itself so that I can answer to your questions later on. Okay, any other doubt? Madam Marna, shall we close this? Please do one thing after actually subscribing, share it in the chat box itself. Nithun, what do you want to ask? I see. I am actually an external faculty. I am not from any department. I am running my own company where I am a visiting faculty for many colleges. Okay. CSE. See, CSE, if you want to, there are 2 types of programming. One is application oriented programming. Another one is system oriented programming. So all what you need to do is that ECE with AI. Okay, fine. So if you want to become a system oriented programmer, more focus to be given to C. If you want to become an application oriented programmer, then you can go for Java, .NET, something like that. Or even Python, something like that. Okay, please do one thing. Please do one thing. After actually subscribing the channel, just give it in the chat box. Come to the chat box and share it. Again, I am sharing those links because for career assistance, you can post any question. I am ready to answer your questions also.
1 minute, sir. Dear students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So regarding the academic and the syllabus, so we will start soon the online sessions. In those sessions, we will intimate you what all the syllabus to be covered, what all you are going to study for M1 and M2 and all. Okay, don't worry about that. This is only for a motivational session for you. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay.
So, madam, shall we?
Yeah.
Aruna madam, shall we wind up the session?
1 minute, sir. I will ask Dean ma'am to join. If she doesn't
please
join, we will wind up.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Thank you, madam.
See, again, I am giving the link to you, so you can actually subscribe that link, and you can see that immediately. You can see even the module Learn to Learn, whatever the topic that we listed, that you can actually see it then and there itself. Again, I have posted the links.
Already subscribed, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Very good, sir.
regarding the college timings, etc., we will tell you during your virtual sessions, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Some
Thank
of
you.
you have put the college timings, and some of you have asked about the M1 course details and all, M1 curriculum details and all. So don't worry, all the things we let you know during the virtual sessions,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No.
Okay, madam. Thanks,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait for a minute. So until we announce, you don't wind up, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, when we classes started?
What more? Somebody ask some questions.
When do the classes starts, ma'am?
So you wait for a week. Most probably it will start at the first week of December. That means the next week. Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
whatever the informations we will pass you up to date. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And one more questions also you asked regarding the final year reopens. So it's only for the final year. Don't confuse with yours. Okay. So once if you have the classmates, we will intimate you later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have
So
any
listen,
other
students.
doubts in any other things, you can ask, students. You can unmute and ask regarding the online sessions or about the subjects. You can ask.
No, ma'am.
No, you have.
So one of you asked regarding the SIM. So once the class started, we will give the duration. So when you have the first SIM, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So many of you ask about the syllabus, Noma. So the syllabus will be regarding your 12th syllabus alone. Okay, so it is the basic of the 12th syllabus, and you will study more than the 12th syllabus, extra things, few of the topics. Okay, if you have the differential means under the differential you go study about the 2 more topics or 3 more topics. That's all. Okay, so it will be, if you have the 2 functions means here you are going to see the 3 functions like that. Okay, so in the first sem anyway you are going to see regarding with your 12th syllabus. Okay, in the second sem you have the M2 only, so upgrade of the next thing. Okay.
Okay, in short, your M1 and M2 will be the extension of your 11th and 12th syllabus. That's all. Okay, don't worry about. Right?
Mrs. Aruna?
Yes, sir.
Because I have another Zoom meet.
We will wind up, sir. Thank you for your.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. My dear friends, please do, you can even write your queries to queries in the chat box, which I will answer to you later on. Thanks for this opportunity. I would like to thank Dr. Subhashri for giving this opportunity and the management of MGR University. Thanks to all the crew members of mathematics, department. Of course, I could see quite a few, Leela madam, Sarla madam, Aruna madam, thanks to, if in case if I'm if I left any name, it only shows that I'm having a lack of memory only. So it's not purposeful. So thank you so much for organizing at a very short period of time. And in fact, I'm also a little bit jubilant to meet such young bubbling aspirants who want to become engineer. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward, guys. I think hopefully once when the college reopens, we'll be able to I will also be able to meet all of you in person. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, we can wind up with this session. We will
Thank you,
meet
sir.
you on virtual classes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We completed our class.